How to make a fortune repurposing content. Hi, Lee Casano here from leoncasano.com. This video deals with selling and making money with ready-to-sell reprintable info products that you can even repurpose the content. That's reprint rights, resell rights, and PLR, and repurposing the content to make unlimited lifetime evergreen products for you to make money with. Back in 1995, I was new to selling information. Being new, and after careful consideration, I decided to sell reprint rights products because I needed products to sell. I created my first product called the Complete Booklets Library, and I charged $69.95. That sold well, so I decided to do it again, and I turned a series of reports into a small catalog and charged $49 for that product. Right from the get-go, I started getting the big orders for the Booklets Library, and when I included a copy of my new small reports catalog, orders came in for both. I started getting checks and money orders for $118.95 from then on. And I was a newbie. When you buy reprint, resell, or PLR products that come with full publishing rights and repurpose the content and make them your own, you can find orders showing up in your inbox or mailbox for as much as $450 as I have. Another example is my digital reprint rights on CD-ROM, my first online reprint rights product in 2004, and it sells for $97. And another example is the Ultimate Recipe Sellers Resource CD, which also sells for $97. Basically, almost all of my reprint rights products are just repurposed content. This is where you make your money. Nothing has changed over the years, just the methods, and this is truly an evergreen business. This is the secret to making money selling information products. You repurpose older or newer info products and do it in a bit different way than anyone else. By repurposing content that comes with publishing rights, you can create a stream of big-ticket products that can feed you well over a lifetime. There are so many things you can do with the right content. I once created a simple cover for an existing info product, and $100 showed up in my mailbox because of it. It only took minutes to copy and paste the simple cover. Reprint, resell, and PLR rights products. Ready to sell, even repurpose the content. Get a free report and links to my products. Just go to leoncasano.com.